Package in the mail today. It's for the motorhome. A new Blue Ox tow bar cover. This is to keep the tow bar from getting beat up from the weather, mostly while not in use. The sun is what mostly beats up the tow bar rubber boots that cover the cylinder rod. Way more expensive to replace them than to get these new covers here. This is an original part from Blue Ox. It's very good material, and it is strong as an ox. Now, this is the old one. As you could see, the sun did a job on the vinyl. It dried it so bad over the years, you can see the cracks. Got my money's worth out of it. Watch when I take off how stiff the vinyl is. Stiff as a board. Now look how flexible and soft this new one is. Here's both of them side by side. Now keep in mind, the old one is 14 years old. Okay, it served its purpose. What's nice about this cover is not only the heavy-duty vinyl, but the inside has a soft lined felt material. On the bottom, it has 8 holes to ventilate the inside from the moisture. Just in case when you tuck it away it's still wet, this will let it evaporate, and if it's dripping, it comes right out of those holes. Well, let's try it on there. Much easier to slide it on because it's so flexible. I forgot how the original was. This is really nice. I tie up the Velcro there, and there it is. Very cool. Covers it very nicely all the way around. You could tuck that all the way in. Really nice fit. I really recommend keeping the tow bar covered. I've had this for 15 years now, and that one was overdue, but it's as old as the tow bar, and now the tow bar has never failed me. I've done regular maintenance to it. I redid the rubber bushings on it so it didn't have any play and so forth, but I don't think it would have lasted without this cover. Thank you for watching, and you guys have a great day.